Hi, I'm here to talk to you about two of my favorite questions. One is, how do I get Influx? And the second one is, how do I buy Influx? So let's talk about how you get Influx. There are actually three different methods for us to put Influx onto your injection molding machine. Influx Import, which is our newest method, and I'll talk more about that in a minute. Influx on board, and direct integration. But first, let me talk about what you get with Influx. So you're going to get the software that takes control of the inject forward part of the press, and only that part. You're going to get a small amount of hardware, and you're going to get the opportunity to use the intellectual property that makes Influx give you the advantages that you're looking for. So let's start with the direct integration method. With that method, that is the method that we have used since our inception, where we take a customized picture of your current press. We look at the controls portion and determine the best way to integrate Influx with those customized controls. We work with your OEM, we look at the machine design, and we determine the best way to retrofit to meet that specific machine requirement. This is something that is beneficial, especially where you have older presses, because it doesn't require newer software to take control of the press. The second method is Influx on board. Influx on board is where we've partnered with certain OEMs, and that list is growing every day. And with Influx on board, we have worked together to do all the work up front. Influx is embedded in the machine's cabinet. The screens are housing our native controller. Our screens are embedded on the native controller of the IMM, and you're able to receive a new machine with Influx fully integrated, and you're ready to process as soon as it arrives. With that, there are different schematics and information to help you feel confident, but we have trust that we've done all the work up front with the OEM. The third opportunity is called Influx Import. That is our newest opportunity for you to take more control in how and when you connect Influx to your IMM. Influx Import gives you the ultimate inflexibility. We give you all the information. We work with the OEM so that you get a port that is plug and play ready for Influx. And you decide, based on your downtime, based on your production schedule, how and when you would like to integrate with our system. Once again, we provide you with all the information that is necessary to do this, as well as remote support, so that you have the greatest experience with the greatest flexibility. So 3 methods to get you up and running with Influx right away. So now let's talk about my other favorite question. How do I purchase Influx? And there's different ways. So the first is our direct purchase. You just issue a purchase order for whatever number of units you're interested in, and we're happy to process that like any other purchase that you make. The second option, though, is something that's only available in the US, and it's called a subscription. It's basically a lease opportunity for Influx. And there's a lot of financial and accounting reasons why it's only available in the US, but essentially it provides you the flexibility to get into Influx in a bigger way if you don't have the capital budget sufficient at the time to do that. The third option is we can just package different commercial agreements that are scaled based on your needs across facilities, across countries even. And we do that all the time to make sure that our customers have the right attention to detail to get them into Influx processing across their site or across a certain product line. So 3 ways to integrate, 3 ways to think of flexibility with purchase. And we're interested to talk to you about all of them. So please contact us at info@influx.com, and we'd be happy to meet with you as soon as possible. Thanks.